Kangleicha Club, Samupunbi and Laisham Club Kuning Thek Laikai Jiribam in collaboration with Jiribam District Veterinary Hospital jointly organized a livestock vaccination program today. Around 100 animals were vaccinated during the program. Carrying forward the Youths for Life program, the International Peace and Social Advancement Kanglei Park today organized a solar lamp distribution function at Paradise Academy in Kanchipur, Imphal. Kairao Constituency MLA L. Rameshwar, IPSA President Joy Chandra Konthausam, Paradise Academy Principal Koirom Ibohal and social worker Namairakpam Chingkai were present on the occasion. Myanmar security forces opened fire on pro-democracy protests today, killing 5 people. A protester and media said as the military reinforced its bid to end dissent with arrest warrants for online critics and internet blogs. According to Reuters, despite the killing of more than 550 people by the security forces since the February 1 coup, protesters are coming out every day, often in smaller groups in smaller towns, to voice opposition to the reimposition of military rule. Security forces in the central town of Moniwa fired on a crowd, killing 3 people. The Myanmar Now News Service said while 1 man was shot and killed in another central town, Bago, and 1 in Thaton in the south, the Bago Weekly Journal online news portal reported. India reported 89,129 new COVID-19 cases and 714 coronavirus-related deaths in the last 24 hours, informed the Union Health Ministry today. As per a media report, with these additional cases, the total number of COVID-19 cases in the country reached 1,23,92,260. With 714 new deaths, the death toll in India has gone up to 1,64,110. There are 6,58,909 active cases as of now. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader HIMANTA Biswa Sarma, who was barred from campaigning for 48 hours by the Election Commission of India over his comments on his rival Hangrama Mohilari, has approached Guwahati High Court. The Election Commission had banned the leader from campaigning or speaking in public after an Indian National Congress delegation submitted a complaint against him for openly threatening to send Bodoland People's Front chief Hangrama Mohilari to jail by misusing the National Investigation Agency. With the help of extended by social worker Thongam Santi, the Moirang Kendra Progressive Front today provided shewing machine to RK Joshi Kumar, age 41, and Pairembam Memcha, age 71 of Moirang Municipal Council, Ward Number 6, Moirang Pairembam Lekai. With the help of HARAOROU Tangkham Gram Panchayat Pradhan Laishangthem Kulachandra, construction work of a culvert on HARAOROU village road stretch has begun today. Moirangthem Ibombi, a villager, lauded the Pradhan for taking the initiative. He said the culvert will prevent artificial flood during a rainy season. All set to be the first transgender person in Kerala to contest the assembly election, Ananya Kumari-elect is now withdrawing from the poll fray. Ananya Kumari-elect said she was mentally tortured and received death threats from the leaders of the Democratic Social Justice Party, which nominated her. SORA Athletic Association today felicitated media-winning athletes who participated in the National Cross Country Championship Athletics Mid 2021 held at ATS Golf Meadows, Chandigarh. The event was organized by Chandigarh Athletic Association, Chandigarh, under the supervision of Athletic Federation of India. The felicitation program was held at Librarian Information Office, SORA Market. 2 one-horn rhinos which strayed out of the Orang National Park have created panic among the residents in the Dalgaon area of Darang district today. After straying out of the Orang National Park, the one-horn rhinos entered the nearby residential Char villages in the Dalgaon area. The 2 one-horn rhinos have been moving around villages like Konakata, Para and Gojaizer under Dalgaon police station, thereby creating panic among the residents.